My name's David Hayes. I'm the Chief of Police here at the Alton Police Department. Well, the Juvenile Justice Program, or Diversions, to try to save a juvenile or a young person from being thrown into the criminal justice system at a young age and potentially ruining their potential to be a successful and productive citizen later in life. What we do is we divert them, and my detective, who's assigned to these schools, finds that the kids that get in trouble that are in the school system, he recommends them for the diversion program based on their history. It's educational environment where they hear from anti-drug professionals, anti-bullying and things like this, conflict resolution, things that will assist you and give you tools later in life to solve problems that may otherwise be solved by criminal conduct. We're real proud of this program because the kids that get in it have an 85% success rate of coming out of this program and not reoffending. If you succeed in graduating from this program, the state's attorney's office, who are a partner of ours in this, will completely wipe that incident off of your record so that it's not traceable by a future employer, even a police agency. It's not a record that will ever follow you, and that's the real value in it for these kids. And they understand the importance of being successful through this program.
My name is Miranda Eby. I go to Alton High. I'm in 12th grade. And the reason why I came to this program was because I got into a fight at school, and I learned my lesson once I came here and I went to jail. And after I started coming here and I stopped, I graduated, I kept on coming back.
Without the Safe Schools, Healthy Students funding, we wouldn't be as invested in this as we are. So I've been to Main Street Methodist Church, where a lot of these kids meet when they're in Alton, and I've been there and talked to these kids, and most of these kids want to succeed. They're good kids. They made a foolish mistake, and all of us make foolish mistakes when we're young.
Every time I've been coming here, I've always said, well, I'm just going to keep on coming back.
The parents of these kids often have told me in a couple of meetings that I've had with them, you did something for my kid that I couldn't do myself. And if there's the real value of this to any law enforcement agency is, while it may seem like a huge time investment up front, in the end, these kids all go out and talk to each other about this program. They tell other kids how the restorative justice wheel really works in their favor. We're fully invested in this program, and I would encourage all of my law enforcement counterparts to become involved in this program. And the fact that we're not overly taxing all the resources that we would be using in law enforcement, prosecution, court, judges, prisons, detention homes, all these things, we're saving the taxpayers tons of money in resource allocations by working with these kids and turning them around before they get introduced to the justice system. And they can go on in life and get a job as a police chief if they want. It's not going to matter if that's the only mistake in their life they make.
I'd really recommend the diversion program for kids that have got into trouble and haven't got into trouble. It's really changed my life.
1, 2, 3, drug free!